set how to create Windows 10 USB disk by MBR and GPT Type. First of MBR Type is created by the media creation tool, but it cannot be seen the USB on the boot tab of the BIOS menu because of this is made by the legacy USB model. So if you buy the newly notebook, the desktop computer, then you use the GPT type USB disk. This is created by the Rufus program. Okay? It can be seen the boot tab of the BIOS menu because of this is the UEFI model. Okay, let's get the first for the Rufus program. This is the official program website. The latest version is that 3.10. Okay, after download, okay, you can open the Rufus program. Okay. There are two types of the partition scheme, which is the MBR and the GPT, like that. If you select the MBR first, you can see the target system, which is BIOS or UEFI-CSM. This is the file system. The NTFS is the default option. Then, if you change the GPT option, the target system UEFI, non-CSM. Okay. The file system is the FAT32. This is the default option. Then, if you the setting is the all prepared, then you can click start. Okay. Okay. That's all.